So, as I mentioned, I guess we're going to call this project race car. It's already stripped, so I'm pretty much going to keep it that way.
Yeah, what are we doing here? We going like drift missile meme, tin can meme, ricer meme? Which meme are we going with for the interior here?
Tin can, just straight up race car, eventually roll cage, street legal, you know. So this is a 95 RX-7. It actually has like 220,000 miles on it. So it did have some rust issues. Part of the rust issues were fixed, but the problem was the seat bracket got cut out. So Mike went ahead and made this bracket now for the seat. So that's all set.
200 and how many? 220?
20.
How many apex seals is that, do you think?
I don't know. It doesn't have a rotary anymore.
Oh.
As I said, it has no rotary. It also has no motor or transmission right now at all. It's the way I bought it.
So what are we going with here? You want to tell the viewers? 2JZ, what are we doing? No. Big block Ford?
Yeah, big block Ford. No, I'm actually putting a Chevy LS 5.3 out of a truck into it. Made it to a T56 6-speed manual. So it'll be quite a fun car.
Alright, so why don't you tell them what's involved with putting that motor in here? I mean, to me, seems like you're putting a motor like 3 times the size into this car. What's involved in that?
Yeah, I mean, there's a company out there, there's a couple companies. I went with a company out of California called Sandberg Performance. They actually custom make this subframe. They make a kit to move your rack and pinion so it still sits in the stock location. Transmission mount and drive shaft for the T56 and a rear end brace. All very quality parts. I don't have them all yet, obviously, but great company, good customer service. I would definitely recommend them. So a lot of work still to be done. Some things I have done. You already saw the subframe. I also deleted the ABS unit out of this, so I was putting this Summit proportioning valve into the back brakes. I still got to plumb the front brakes. A couple other things, I have HKS Hypermax 1 suspension that my friend that I bought the car off was kind enough to give me.
We got snow tires and monster truck fitment.
Obviously, I'm not running snow tires. I need to get new wheels and tires. So the reason I bought that RX-7, my buddy inspired me with his RX-7. This is a 93, beautiful condition, beautiful interior. He's actually doing the same thing I am, except he has an LS7 block on the way, also T56. He's also running a Ford 8.8 rear end, which I'll do eventually. This thing is just clean, clean, clean. I love the way it looks. Unfortunately, mine will never look this nice. So as you can see here at the Jantic Journal, we're going to be getting into a little more car videos. I finally have a project car. Mike has to finish up his Regal. And there's more.
that's pretty much going to do it for this video. As Joey said, we got our own car projects going on. But the mini bike stuff, lawnmower stuff, that's all still going to be going around. Also, got a new camera, so hopefully that's looking a lot better for this video. First time trying it out. But anyways, we'll catch you guys next time on the Jantic Journal.